Hi, this is Rachelle Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing a flip through of my everyday planner, which is a B6 Stalogy in a B6 notebook Moterm cover. If you are interested in seeing the Plan With Me videos or the spreads in this planner, you can find the majority of them over on the Scrapcraftastic Plan With Me channel. I'm also live streaming over there on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at around 12 noon, 12:30, depending. I usually try to schedule the live streams in advance, so if you set your notifications, you won't miss them. All right, so here we go. This is the Stalogy. I haven't dedicated as much time to decorating, adding dashboards and things like that as I normally do to this planner, but I did. I've started doing a little more work to it. Okay. The cover is Moterm. I can't remember the name of this color, but I will list it in the description box below. Any supplies, stickers that I can remember and that I have the information for, I will link everything in the description box below. This is one of the Craft Lab Tech dashboards. I think this was the April release, the release for April, and I just have some Simply Gilded sampler stickers stuck in here with the hopes that one day I might use them. Same for these moon stickers that I've had for years, and I just haven't used them. I didn't do my usual washi dashboard for the end papers. I didn't do it. I've been thinking about doing it. I just haven't. This was a freebie, I think, from the beginning of the year. It's vellum, tip 10. Maybe I'll go back to adding more vellum. These are my sticker bomb pages. This is a sticker dashboard from Isis Ella Jewels. The date stickers, the 2025 stickers, are from Mojo Jojo Plans. So just a variety of loose stickers that I've had in my stash for a while and needed to use them, and I just added them. This is the 2025 Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner and Journal Challenge. As you can see, I fell off, but I'm back to it with clusters. Let's use this. I've done clusters and I've done free. And I feel like I've done sunrise, sunset. That was done in the Walmart planner. I didn't do golden ticket though. I think I did Unity too. Okay. I got to get better when I'm doing those spreads. I'm doing them in my composition notebook. I need to get a little bit better about saying that that's what I'm doing because on the free one, I don't think I even mentioned it. So here we go with January. For the monthlies, I'm drawing out the calendars, bullet journal style kind of, but then decorating like we do with our regular planners, or if you're into decorative planning, I'm doing it that way. So I'm drawing them out and washi tape. A lot of the washi tape I use is from Simply Gilded. The florals are from Hell of a Plan. And I think this doll is from Let's Get Planned. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. I can't remember everything. These are stickers from the Scenes kit for Scrapcraftastic patrons. And I'm using a lot of Mojo Jojo plans for the days of the week and the dates. This particular sticker here is from Isabella Jewels though. I'm not gonna go through and tell you every sticker. It's just like as they catch my eye, I'll let you know what they're from. These are the scene stickers too. And I got some Happy Planner mixed in here as well. I think this was from a freebie, the Snowman. These are journaling stickers from the Scrapcraftastic Patreon. Okay. And these are from the stickers I designed last year for the challenge. So I had extras left from last year and I used them. Same here. Then this is a kit from Let's Get Planned. This is a printable dashboard. This was for Lunar New Year, I think. Yeah, Lunar New Year is what I designed that for. These are stickers from CHELA Creates, actually. This is another dashboard from Scrapcraftastic channel members. Isis Ella Jewels. This is the February monthly. I use stickers from Let's Get Planned. She's from COCO'S Vision. A lot of these doll stickers are actually Coco's Vision. The heart washi is from Isis Ella Jewels if anyone's interested. And these doll stickers are from Let's Get Played. Here's another one of those dashboards. Lots of Simply Gilded washi. Coco's Vision dolls. These dolls are from Let's Get Planned, and so are the florals. I really like this one. This was for Black History. So it's this. These are leftover stickers from a kit I had from Let's Get Planned. This is one of the Craft Lab Tech dashboards. Let's Get Planned. This washi is from Cookie Sticker Co. It's one of my favorites. Another one of the dashboards. So I do already have her in here. So I'm glad I didn't tip that one in. I had printed her on clear acetate to tip in, but I don't need to. So this is March. These were leftover stickers from last year from Let's Get Planned. These are actually junk journal stickers that I reduced down the size of the page, even though they're still a little large, that I used for the Mardi Gras, the week of Mardi Gras. And I didn't do any planning that week, but still love the stickers. Then these large florals are from Keleva Plan. Then here we go into the week of St. Patrick's Day. This is one of the dashboards. Florals from Scrapcraftastic Patreon. These are florals from the Scrapcraftastic Patreon as well. Doll from Coco's Vision. And then this is the April page. This is that same dashboard from the front, printed on clear acetate. And then I had these stickers in my stash and just needed to use them up. So I thought they went pretty well behind her. Kind of matched the theme. Then this is April. This whole design is inspired by these stickers from the Happy Planner. These are stickers I had in my stash from an Etsy shop. This week is inspired by these box stickers from Isis Ella Jewels. Well, actually, it's inspired by Isis Ella Jewels and these stickers from Plum Soul Studio. Okay, so there's the Isis Ella Jewels. And in this layout, I was doing one column. I did a lot of daily pages so far this year, which is not something I normally do, but I did the column layout here, which I really like. But I'm running out of pages in this notebook, and I don't want to, so I've kind of changed up how I'm doing my week. But we may go, once we get closer to the end of the year, I may go back to doing the column pages because I like that. This week went with that yellow V look. So I used washi from Cookie Sticker Co. Doll from Coco's Vision, Coco's Vision. This is the week of Easter, I think. And I used these eggs. I don't even know if the eggs are a freebie. I think they are. You can check that out at scrapcraftastic.com to see for sure. Here's that washi again. Then here we go into May. This is a dashboard from the Craft Lab Text. I used some old stickers here that I had and some new from Anika's Creative Closet. I'm not crazy about this. I just kind of feel like I don't like tropical themes that much. I don't know, but something about it just didn't. I don't know. I don't dislike it. It's just not my favorite. And here we go. I used some of the leftover stickers from Halfway to Halloween from last year on this. COCO'S Vision, Halfway to Halloween, Halfway to Halloween. Another one of my favorite washies up at the top, COCO'S Vision. Then this is the week of Cinco de Mayo, so I try to do the bright colors, vibrant dolls from Let's Get Planned. And then I had a sticker sheet that I got from probably Walmart or somewhere random that seemed to have some Cinco de Mayo themes. So like this, the sombrero. So I use those too. And then just a little nod there to Mother's Day. This is from PLUM Studios. Then we went into Mermaid with stickers from Frolicking Brain. So Frolicking Brain and I Love to Print, I think, are the stickers that are primarily used here. These small deco stickers are from I Love to Print. The large stickers are Frolicking Brain. Like this is Frolicking Brains. Then we moved on to a journaling kit that is available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. Dolls from COCO'S Vision. She has some beautiful blue dolls. I still have some left that I need to use. This is the week of graduation. I made a freebie kit for that as well. You can check that out at scrapcraftastic.com. These are the stickers. And I used this black washi that says Fancy is from Fancy Budgeting. Again, all the shops will be linked in the description box below. All right, this page, I don't know. I think I went a little left when I added the black border, but this is a rainbow of color that I use a lot of Happy Planner stickers to create the rainbow. And then I thought she went really well because even though it's not a traditional rainbow, she's kind of got a rainbow look to her. And that's the COCO'S Vision doll. So we're wrapping up the first half of the year with June. I did another rainbow theme. I had fun with the rainbows this year. I'm not really a big fan of rainbow, but for some reason, this year I had a lot of fun using rainbow themes in my planners. So I went back into my stash and found this kit and a lot of other stickers from Cookie Sticker Co. that I hadn't used. So I started using those in this spread. I'm going to try and revisit an old kit or some old stickers that I have in my stash at least once a month and use them in one of my planners. So that's what we have here. This is a kit from Cookie Sticker Co. And then I added some other stickers like this doll. I think she is from COCO'S Vision. I'm not sure. But if you go over and check out the Plan With Me videos, there will be more info. I can tell you for sure she is from Crafty Planner Queen. So here I started changing up my layout style, trying once again to do a weekly overview on one page and then do the daily pages separately. What eventually happened was I just didn't use this page. I still put everything on my daily pages. So I don't know. I may try this again because I keep trying it and yeah, but it looks really pretty and I got to use up extra stickers. So that's good. This washi here at the bottom is from Lauren Phelps Designs. Again, the kit that I use is from Crafty Planner Queen from the Printables Club. I think it turned out really nice though. All right, here's an overview page again using washi tape from Cookie Sticker Co. And this washi here at the very bottom is from Cookie Sticker Co. as well. Then I use journaling stickers. This is for the week of Juneteenth. These doll stickers are from Let's Get Planned as well. And then here's the overview page. And I was going for a bright florally look to use these stickers from COCO'S Vision. That's COCO'S Vision doll. This washi tape here, I don't think I put this down originally when I did the spread because I didn't have it by me, but I did find it and I came back in and added it later because I thought it was like the perfect match for this spread. COCO'S Vision doll. The florals are also COCO'S Vision. Again, the boxes are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. Sometimes I may add in a box from CHELA Plan, but for the most part, they are from the Scrapcraftastic Patreon. Okay, so that's it. We're not going to get into July. We're going to stop at June. If you want to see what's going on in July, again, go to the other channel and subscribe so you don't miss anything. But that is all of my spreads in my everyday planner for the first half of 2025. Let me know what you think. Which one was your favorite spread? If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.